Hey everybody, welcome to part 2 of Mailbag Monday, episode 9. And this one comes in a lovely prime bubble pack, but I don't know who it's from, and I'm not really sure what's in it. It's a box about yay big, so we will cut that open and find out. I like the stuff that we don't know. Tear at perforation to open. Wow, it actually worked. That doesn't normally work. I don't really know if I'm going to cut it anyway. Well, what did we get?
Ooh.
No note, but we got a Logitech C270 webcam, which is awesome. This was actually in our wish list.
Yeah.
I wanted it for the time lapse on the printers. So I don't know who to thank, but anonymous gift giver, you are awesome. Thank you so much.
Looks cool.
The link to our wish list is, I don't know if it's in the description. I'll make sure it is. If not, it's at our website, which is funking3d.com /support, I think. If you just go to funking3d.com, at the top there is a support button.
It has a handle too.
And in there is a link to our Amazon wish list, which, you know, if you ever want to support us, stuff off that wish list is awesome. There's also some other ways, but this is great. And maybe they just randomly sent it to us and it just happened to be the one that I had in the wish list. But either way, thank you so much, whoever it was that sent this. It's going to come in quite handy, and it's gonna film some time lapse. The reason I wanted this particular model is because it has a printable front for it that you can put a jog dial on to set the focus. So that's going to be awesome. So thank you so much to whoever sent this. I hate not being able to thank you directly, but you know who you are. Thank you. So if you'd like to tune in to part 3, there's going to be a link up here. And if you need to subscribe, you can click right here. And otherwise, we'll see you in the next part. Print on.